Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? Welcome to IAE Academy and I'm Mohit Jain and we'll see what we can do with quantitative aptitude. Let's begin. Hello again and let's see one more classical question from time, speed and distance, and this is now based on average speed. A car travels 8 kilometers in the first quarter of an hour. First quarter, 1/4 of an hour, 6 kilometer in the second quarter, and 16 kilometer in the third quarter. The average speed of the car in kilometer per hour is, and four options are given. This appeared for the first time in 2013 GATE, and this was again for 2 marks. Pause the video and give it a try. I hope you must have paused the video and you must have the answer by now. Now, it's a simple question on average speed. Now, how to calculate average speed? Okay, so first basis of average speed. Average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Okay, so what is the total distance traveled? 8 kilometers and then 6 kilometers and then 16 kilometers. So total distance traveled is 8 plus 6 plus 16. That is 14 and 30. 30 kilometers. In what time? Total time is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. 1 quarter means 1/4 of an hour. That is 15 minutes. So 3 quarter means 45 minutes. So average speed would be 30 kilometer. But since I need all average speed in kilometer per hour, how much is 45 minutes as far as kilometer is concerned? It is 45 minutes as far as hour is concerned. That is 45 by 60 hours, or we can say 3/4 of an hour. So average speed is 30 into 4 by 3, that is 40 kilometer per hour. I've seen people marking on 30. Mind it, they have asked speed in kilometer per hour and not kilometers per 45 minutes. Fine. So average speed would be 40 kph. That is option D fits in and not option A. It looks like it is 30 kilometer per hour, but it is 40 kilometer per hour. Fine. Now again, can we use something else or can we solve this question without actually using pen and paper? I think we can. And let's see how it would be. Now, what data is given to us? Data given to us is S1T, S2T, S3T. Now, what do we mean by this? We mean that the 3 time frames which are given in these questions are same. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. But S1, S2, S3, that is not known. What is known is how many kilometers they have traveled. We have D1, D2 and D3. Fine. And T is same. So here we have D and T. When we have different Ds and different T, average speed is simply summation of D divided by summation of T. But mind it, summation of T should be always in hours. Okay, so 8 plus 6 plus 16 is 30 and 15, 15, 15 is 45, that is 3/4. And we will get 40 kilometer per hour. There is many more things attached to average speed. What would be the average speed when D is same, S varies? What would be the average speed when you have different Ds and different S? Average speed when S varies, T is same. Average speed when S varies, T varies. All different models and different kind of average concept is used. We use harmonic progression, harmonic mean, arithmetic progression or arithmetic mean in calculating average speeds, and that makes our life easy when we calculate sums related to average speed. So I'll come back again with different sums where we can explore harmonic progression or harmonic mean and arithmetic mean to solve average speed. By the time, stay connected with us. Do subscribe to the channel and I'll see you soon. Thank you.